How to refund my money on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refund my money on Shopee. First of all, open Shopee.com. Click on your username and open My Account. Click on My Purchase. There are no orders yet. Now, open the Shopee Customer Service team in a new tab. Enter your Shopee username, email address, and order ID. You can add descriptions about your products and can upload files. Add a description that I want to refund. Select what type of user you are as a buyer and what your inquiry is about in the service team form. Select return and refund. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.